Want to win more trades on Expert Option? Follow this practical 95% approach. Step 1. Choose high liquidity assets and trade the 1-minute time frame. Open Expert Option, set candlestick charts, and enable volume and price labels. Identify clear trends, consecutive higher highs and higher lows on the chart. Add a 20-period moving average and RSI for clean momentum confirmation. Only enter trades when both indicators align with the dominant trend direction. Entry rule: wait for a pullback toward the moving average, then confirm. Confirm entries with RSI bouncing from oversold or dropping from overbought levels. Place a tight stop loss just beyond the recent swing low or high and size accordingly. Target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward and never risk more than 2% capital. Track live trades on Expert Option UI with animated scribble overlays and highlights. Practice on demo, refine your rules, and when ready, trade live with confidence.